Hi friends, welcome to Dspace Learning. Myself Prashant Kaloli, and in these sessions we are going for batch importing Dspace. Load bulk data or items in our institution repository. Okay, what is the bulk import? We all know in this space or in our institution repository, by traditionally we are or by default we are uploading a single item through input forms in each every collection. And whenever we creating history repository, we have a huge volume of data, and we are wasting our time to upload single item in a collections. So we always searching for a solution for bulk uploading. Let's see how to upload bulk data into our institution repository. For batch importing and bulk importing in Dspace, there are some prerequisites, that is Java JDK, Git, Maven, and SAP Builder. We have to install these four applications in our system. So let's start. We are going to install one by one. First, we are going for installing Java JDK. I am going for Java JDK. First, go to the terminal and go to the terminal with superadmin privileges. Just give the su command superadmin. I'm going to LXT terminal. I'm opening LXT terminal and just entering in super user su. I'm giving my password for super admin privileges to my user. Yeah, you look at here that my user display change. Now I'm going to install the first prerequisite, that is Java JDK. It's very easy to install Java JDK. Just we have to run a command, that is sudo apt get install default -jdk. Here is that command. Just we have to copy this command and paste into the terminal. Just I'm pasting here, edit and paste. Okay, just enter. It will be install default Java JDK. Okay, it's done. It's upgraded. Actually, I have installed already here. It's installed. Again, I'm going to my second prerequisite, that is a Git. Installing Git. It's also easy. Just I have to copy this command, that is sudo apt get install Git. Just paste here. Installing and configuration is started and it's over. Okay, it takes few minutes. I'm clearing my screen. I'm now going for my fourth, that is Maven. The command for the Maven is sudo apt get install Maven. I'm just highlighting the steps here. As first, this second, and this is my third. Just I am copying the command and pasting. Yeah, it shows the error. I think I am not copying properly. The command is wrongly copied. Just I am going back. Yeah, that yes is not copied. I'm copying again. Testing. Yeah, it started. It's asked for continue, yes or no. We have to press yes. Okay, it take a minute or 2 minutes. It depends upon your internet connectivity. It fetching the data and installing the Maven. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Actually, this four prerequisites are very it's compulsory, and these are very easy to install. Just we have to know that four commands, and we have to just copy and paste that four commands in the terminal. Then it's automatically install the prerequisites. It's finishing. We have just installed the Maven app. Yeah, it's installed. It's coming to my users. Again, my fourth is the SAP builder. I'm going for downloading and installing the SAP builder. SAP builder is an important thing here because in Dspace, whenever we going to batch import, it requires simple archive format, and SAP builder converts or creates the simple archive format for us, which is very easy to batch import to Dspace. Yeah, so we are using SAP builder for creating simple archive format, which is useful for batch importing. Yeah, I'm just SAP builder, a tool that turns content files and metadata spreadsheet into a simple archive format, which is imported in this space. Just we have to copy this command. With this command line, we can easily install the SAP builder in our system. Just we have to copy this and paste into our system. Just I'm clearing the screen and pasting. Yes, it takes maybe 20 or 30 seconds. Yeah, it is installed because SAP builder is I'm already installed, so it says installed successfully. Okay, now I am successfully installed the SAP builder and all the prerequisites which are required for my work input. Now I have to update my system with this command sudo apt-get update. So I will update my system. It takes 4 or 5 minutes to. My system is getting ready for my work. Okay, it's finishing. Now we are importing Excel or CSV file. First we have to create that Excel or CSV file to import in Dspace. First we are going to prepare an Excel file of data which are we going to import. This is my PDF files which I am going to import. These files are stored in home, SAP builder and SRC. It's a better way, always store your data in the SAP folder. This is my PDF files. Now I am going to importing all these. I have to create a Excel file, and in the Excel file I have to put a header here, file name, title, creator, type, subject and language. I am inserting all the concerned bibliographic description of each and every file here. If you see, first I put file name, then at dc.title is the titles of the content, then dc.creator, creators means authors, type, dc.subject, dc.language. You can also add dc.date, dates of creation of particular content, dc description of every content, and abstract too. But for this work I am not going for this dc date, description and abstract. I am only rely on my 4 or 5 content. These are the Dublin core metadata tags. You have to use tags here in the first line, header of the first Excel file, header of the Excel sheet. Save this Excel file as a CSV format and save this file in the same folder where our files are stored. Again, make sure that all your files and CSV files are stored in a same folder. Now open a terminal. We are creating simple archive file here. Open terminal. We have to run the SAP builder and create a simple archive format zip file with the help of the data and the CSV file. So here what we are doing, we are first I am going to as a super user here, and this is my SAP builder files and this is the SAP builder folder. I am just going into the SAP builder folder, cd, that command is cd SAP builder. I am entering in the SAP builder folder. Here I am giving the command. This is the SAP builder sh. We have to run this file and we have to create a simple archive format zip file. Here look at it. Look at here what how I am giving the command dot slash SAP builder dash sh dot c. Here I am giving the exact path of that CSV file, that is src news 2017 slash news clippings dot csv file and dash z. This is my command. Here this is the path and dash z is for creating zip file. Okay, I'm clicking enter. It's recompiling the SAP builder and just we have to wait 2 or 3 minutes. It's depend upon the how much data you are compiling. For this process I am going for 27 records, but if your records are more than 100 or 1000, it takes more than 1 hour too. So it depend upon the size of volume. So wait for some time, it will be process the data. Once again we explaining that command. Yeah, it is processing. It says successfully compiling the SAP builder, then detected the input CSV file and importing the CSV file. There are 3 files which are not imported due to a file name. Okay, it means there are 3 records which are not imported and 24 records are imported. Okay, it successfully created a simple archive file. It says that the file simple archive format zip has been you created. Okay, that zip file is exact in that folder where we are putting our content. Here this is our simple archive format file. This is zip and this zip file we are using to import in the Dspace. Okay friends, like this we can create a simple archive format with the help of Zap Builder. Now I'm going to open my Dspace and importing that simple archive format in a collection. Here I'm opening my Dspace. Actually in previous steps we install the prerequisite software and then we create the simple archive format zip file with the help of SAP Builder. Now we are importing that simple archive format in the collection. So it's so easy. This is my repository and here I'm going to create a community, separate community for importing the content. First I'm going to log in here. Thus I'm putting my login details, username and password and signing in. Okay, I sign in. Now first I am creating a community and create a collection in it for the importing the zip file. So this is my steps. I'm logging as an administrator and repeating the steps here. And creating a community. Okay. Yeah, here I'm already created a community batch importing. I'm here creating a new collection. Create a collection. Newspaper clipping 2017. Here in this collection I am creating it. In this collection I am importing that newspaper clippings of 2017, which is in the simple archive format, the zip file created by SAP Builder. Yeah, I'm coming back to that collection. I'm selecting that collection. Here is my this collection newspaper clipping 2017. Here in the right hand panel there is a in administrative panel there is option batch import zip. Click this batch import zip. This will be start the import batch process. Select the collection. My collection is newspaper clipping 2017. Just click the browse. This is my file in the SAP Builder SRC, just which is I am created through the SAP Builder. This file I have to upload there. Just click the browse and click the upload simple archive format. Here select that file. I'm selecting that file. Yes, this is my zip file. Opening it and upload simple archive format zip. I'm clicking this button. Now in this zip file I have imported 27 items. It depends upon the size of the value, so it takes some time. My upload successful. Here is the notice status, upload successful, and these are the items which are imported from that simple archive format. I think there are 23 items are here because 3 or 4 items are not uploaded here. So these are my items which are uploaded in my newspaper 2017 collection. Let's see how my collections will be. Here I am, this is my community batch importing. In batch importing, I have created newspaper clipping 2017. Look at here, there are 28 numbers. Previously there is 0. So I am selecting that newspaper clipping, and this is the data which I have imported. Such a way we can import the data into the collection. This is a simple way. Just see, I'm going to see one record here. I'm clicking one newspaper clipping. Just I'm clipping and open that record. Yes, this is the metadata, and it's fine. Okay, and this is title, and this is the file. Okay, in file section, exact file is here. So I'm going to open this file and see the file. Okay, it's by default opening with. So I'm open this file. My file which is open. This is a PDF file. It's look good. The file imported in the collection, and I'm open it. I just close it. Such a way we can import the data in the Dspace through the SAP builder. This is a simple archive format. If you learn this, then it will be a great thing. You can import huge volume data in our Dspace. Just you have to structure your CSV file, then you have to create the or install this necessary softwares, and then it's so easy. Thank you.